Welcome to the project demonstration of solar powered grass cutter Bluetooth controlled project. In this project we are using 1000 rpm DC motor and blade, charging circuit, 12 volts 1 amp battery, PIC microcontroller, Bluetooth module, relay and L293D step down transformer, and also using 30 rpm two motors which are connected to this L293D motor driver, and these two are the dummy wheels. So first of all, we'll explain about the charging circuit. So here we can see we are using the step down transformer for the charge circuit. It takes 230 volts of power supply from the input and it will give the output of 12 volts of AC. So it will step down up to 230 volts to 12 volts. The 12 volts AC will be given to this bridge rectifier. Here we can see this is the input of the bridge rectifier. So we know that rectifier will convert AC to DC. So it is taking the input of 12 volts AC and will convert up to 12 volts of DC. So that 12 volts of DC will be given to this battery. Here we can see the battery connection. Now we will give the power supply here. So here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charging. After that, also we will charge the battery through this solar panel. So this is the connection of this solar panel. So it is this connection will be replaced by this transformer. So I am removing this transformer connection. I am placing the solar plate connection. So here we can see the light, very low level of light indication due to this is not in a sunlight position. That's why it is giving a very low amount of voltage. If we put this one in a sunlight position, this light will be glow and battery get charged. And one doubt will be raised in our mind that rectifier is converts AC to DC, but again we are giving the solar panel supply to this rectifier, but rectifier generally generate the DC power supply. Why? Because we are giving this solar panel supply to this rectifier is, so rectifier will act as a reverse voltage protector and also work as a polarity corrector. So here we can see if this battery become a more charged or high polarity, then this charge voltage will be come reverse to this solar panel. Even that time, due to reverse voltage, the solar panel will be damaged. For that purpose, we have to protect the solar panel. That's why we are using the bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier consists of a diodes. The diodes will be act as a forward. It will be access the only forward voltage. It will not access any reverse voltage. That's why this battery polarity become high, but it is come reverse voltage, but the diodes are not allowed the reverse voltage. It will only access the forward voltage. That's why we are giving the solar power supply to this rectifier. So here we can see the solar power supply is given to here. So if we want to recharge this battery using electrically, so we can replace the solar power plate connection into this transformer connection. After that, we need to on the power supply. So here we can see light indication of the kit. We need to go for the Bluetooth settings. So now we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. For more, here we can see HVS-3252. We need to pair this one. So it is asking password. Password should be 1234. Then write. Now it is saved here. We need to connect this HVS-3252 device to our app. Now I am opening the Play Store. We can search as a Bluetooth HC05. Here we can see Bluetooth terminal HC05. We need to install this one. I have already. So now open this one. Now here we can see it showing HC05. We need to go with this. So here we can see connected to HC05. Now we will hit the buttons. First of all, we need to go for the button 1. It is F. F means forward, and the command is a F. And here we can see the two writes, CR and LF. We need to off this buttons, and again right click. For the button 2 also, I am giving this button 2 as a B for the backward, and command is also B. So we can, so here we can see the button name. We can select any name. We can give any name like back B or back end like this. So now here we can see CR and LF are in normally on position. We need to off this one. Button 4 also. Button 3. I am giving the right R off, save, and again left L, save. So now if we want to move this one as a forward, just press S, F. So here you can see these are in a forward motion. If we press B, one thing I have to forget to say that, so we need to go for the button 5. Button 5 is a stop. The stop command is S. Remove these two writes, save. So if you want to go for the forward, press F, forward, and press or stop, and again we need to go for the backward. You can see the motor rotation, and again stop for right. So we can see it is in backward, it is in forward, it will rotate in right side, and again stop for the left side, it will move forward, that will become backward. So we can see here also, and stop. So if you want to on this blade, press 1, or if you want to off this blade, press 2. So in on position we can see the light indication of the relay. Now 1. So we can see the light indication of the relay. For the off, so we can see when the motor is in on position, relay get switched on. When the relay gets switched off, then automatically motor will get switched off. So it will be rotating clockwise direction, then only it will cut the grass. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.